Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Sampreet Gamer. So, today we are going to play a new series. The game name is Minecraft. It is so nice. You also try this game. But you should buy this. It is not free. In the Play Store, you can go and buy. So, let's start. In this game, what we should do is first we should create a house to live. Whenever it is night, whenever it is a day, the monsters will not attack you. When it is night, the monsters and mobs will get spawned and start hitting us, and we will die. So we should, before it become night, before it become dark, let's create a house. Okay, some sound came. I am not caring it about it. Okay, full desert side. This is. We will go this side. This game is so nice. What is this sound? What is this building? Oh, by hitting like this, we will get a dirt sand block. What is this? We got a house. I'm not supposed to build now only. Okay, we got already a house. I saw someone there. Who are these? Oh, they started hitting me. Hey, why are you hitting me? Okay. Why are they hitting me? Oh shit, I died. Respawn. I'll not go this side now. They'll start hitting me simply. I'll go this way. Where did it fall? The first thing what we should do is, if there will be a tree nearby you, just punch it. Just be hitting it, you will get the, what is this? Oak log. You will get oak log. Collect it. After collecting it, hold the tree by hitting it. Be hitting. After collecting this, there is a cow here, no? By mistake I kept the oak log here. I'll collect it fast. First we should go to inventory. We should keep oak log here. We'll get oak wood planks. We should collect it. Then we should make a crafting table. Place the crafting table over here. Go to crafting table. Make sticks. After making sticks, go to sword. We should make a wooden sword. First we'll get wooden sword. Then we should make pickaxe. Then we should make shovel. This is called shovel for digging sand. That's it. And collect this. If you break it, it will come to our inventory. It came to my inventory. Like this we can collect everything. After this we should go find some cave to get stones. Here is only one key. If you want food, by hitting cows, we will get 2 raw beef. After getting this raw beef, if you will eat this, you will not your health will not go your health will not be down. When here you can see hunger. If your hunger will be down, you can eat food and fill your stomach. From that you can fulfill your hunger. After collecting all this, first we should collect this. After collecting, this is called coal. We should collect this coal. Collect how much ever coal is there. Take out this sand by shovel. Here also coal is there. After hitting this again, you should collect. Collect how much ever is there. Now it's enough. Now whatever their tools is there with you now, sword, pickaxe and shovel, now you should convert into stone pickaxe, stone shovel, everything you can convert it by stone. Here is sword. Now I should make stone pickaxe. First place your crafting table over here, then make a pickaxe, stone pickaxe, then make a sword. From this, what will happen means, now it would take so much time to break that stone. In this it will take less time, because stone is stronger than wood. Afterwards you should collect this. It will come to your inventory. Then you should collect stones. Collect all the stones. After collecting, you should find a sheep. You should find. Where is sheep? From sheep we will get wool. From wool we can make bed to sleep at night. Sheep. I should go this side. I'll ask it here. Hello? 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 I'm calling you, you're not responding, no? Attitude. I can see some house. There is a house over there. Yeah, there is a house. There are 2 houses. Who lives here? There are rabbits in this game. I can see village. Oh, now I know. I don't want to build now any house, because I got free house. This is called as village, where all the villagers will be there. From villagers we can trade. Instead of, if we give potatoes or bread, they will give us emerald. Okay, we got a free house. What is this? What did you get? Wheat. Oh cat, now it's night, so we should sleep. Huh. They'll be saying huh. This is only one language of this villages. I slept instead of his village. This is a villager's house, but I stepped. I'll take. Shit, I didn't make an axe to break woods. We will see in this village what and all is there. Okay. This is Golem. Okay, next we'll go to this house. What is this? What is he doing? Okay, we should trade with him. Oh, where did I struck? We got a new house in Minecraft. I thought we should make, but I have everything. I have bed. In this, what is there? Oh my god, bread. This is only called bread. This is only called bread. This is wheat. By this wheat, what will it become? I don't know. I should go check in crafting table. Okay, this is green dye. Okay, I don't know what is this. This is. I'll take this bed and this chest also. Okay. There is a house up also. We will go see. Oh my god. Okay. So today I thought in this video I'll make a house, but I got a house without any things which has to be done. For now I will, what is this? Stone cutter. I'll put my stone here. Okay, it will become into slabs. This and all we'll do it in next video. So how was the video? Please comment below. Okay, cat. There are so many cats over here. In next video we will make a house, our own house, and we will not make on this desert area. We'll make somewhere else over there, and we will see in next video what and all we can do. So for today this is okay. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care everyone. Bye bye.